In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Calendar on your iPhone, perfect for beginners in 2025. Now, the Apple Calendar app is a powerful tool that can seamlessly manage your schedule and help keep your life organized. Let's dive into how you can get started with it. First, grab your iPhone and head to the home screen. To locate your calendar app quickly, you can use the search feature, which is particularly handy if you have a lot of apps. Swipe down from the middle of the home screen to reveal the search bar at the top. Type in calendar and you will instantly see the app pop up in the results. Tap on it to open. Once the calendar app is launched, your iPhone might prompt you with some initial permissions which are essential for a smooth experience. You'll be met with a continue button. Go ahead and click it. This will allow the app to access necessary data without interruption. You might also see a prompt asking for location access to improve the accuracy of travel times for events. Here, choose Allow Once to proceed, which lets you control when the app can use this data. If you plan to use location-based notifications frequently, you can select Allow instead. Now that we're inside the app, at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several tabs. You want to tap on the Calendars option. This section shows all the different calendars you're subscribed to. It's a great way to manage multiple schedules, whether they're work, personal, or from other sources like subscribed sports events or holidays. You can toggle them on or off by tapping the circles next to each entry, allowing you to customize your view to see just what you need. Next, let's focus on creating an event, which is the core of using the calendar. To create an event, tap on the plus icon, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Enter the event details, start and end time, location, and so on. Don't forget to add a title so it's clear what the event is about. You can also set an alert to remind you ahead of time. Once satisfied with your details, make sure to save it. And there you have it. That's how to use Apple Calendar on iPhone. By following these steps, you have unlocked the basics of managing your schedule on your iPhone with ease. Whether you're organizing meetings, appointments, or personal tasks, the Calendar app is there to keep you on track. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.